Welcome for coming to our Year 6 Leavers Assembly, which is called Goodbye Bells Farm. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
Robert's got late to avoid all the chaos.
Yes, the madness that is our Monday morning routine.
But I love all that. The hustle and the bustle, the frantic in and throwing, it leaves you no doubt that the school week has well and truly begun.
Right, okay. It's a new week, which means a fresh start and a clean slate. Last Monday morning was a one-off, a blip, and so was the one before that, and the one before that. And it's time today will be different. Books are marked, registers are ready, and morning activities are planned. Right, here goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, year 6. Set down please while someone's highlighting your shoe. They're probably not property with half your other store clothes. Now, some clothes are shall I go and look? Not now, wait until the
Silly me, I've still got my coat on.
Come back and sit down. I can't have you wondering about when I'm trying to do the register. Thank you. Right. Where was I? Claudius. Where is Claudia?
He's still in the toilet trying to tie his glasses. Shall I fetch him?
Yes, but quickly. Callum, where is Callum Kempson?
You just hanging out a bit. Now, should I go get him?
No, thank you. Claudius, Callum, hurry up. Right, Chloe Duffy. Where's Chloe Duffy?
She wasn't on the bus. That's it, it's a new story. Shall I go where she is?
No!
This? What about her shoes?
Not now, Cody.
We're here.
Yes, right, thank you. I can see that. Cody. Yeah. Good. Ashley.
Yeah.
Thank you. Jack. Where's Jack?
Is he not walking on hair?
Right! Well, everybody who's gelling their hair, putting on makeup, swapping stickers, or chatting about last night's Hollyoaks, or doing anything else they shouldn't be, please move your lazy behinds in here now! Thank you. Right. Could you bring me your dinner sticks and permission slips for next week, please? Excuse me, Mrs. Robert, about Chloe. Well, if you don't mind, I'm trying to do the register. It's a gesture thing. That's what you're doing in Taylor. So that's what you do. What does he know? He's practicing to tell me to my exam every evening. Anyway, I thought she was really good. No, I can't do how can do. She's like me, you see. I always had a good marshal. This is insane. You know, my name is Red. I would get over if I said I can't my roots 1905. Whereas I people is useless. I tell you, she's been on that way. She's been on that way for 18 months. Whereas people is useless. What do these politicians do with it? I certainly don't have lots of money here. I tell you, it's not very for that lot here. Miss Vincent, I really don't have time for this right now. But if you don't mind, I must sit down and give you the excuse me. Excuse me. Right, where was I? Yes. Could you bring me your dinner sticks and precious sticks for next week's trip? Thank you, Alex. Well, what about the rest of you? To be out?
It's in my bag in the cloakroom.
Well, it's no use in there, is it? Yes, hurry up. Lisa, where's yours?
Bag, cloakroom, bed.
Yes, look at the time. Right, rest of you. If you left your dinner when it sits in your bag, go and get it now. Quickly!
All the others have to write the whole thing
well, maybe, but if they did it nowadays, I'm sure it would stop them getting your kit.
I don't understand why anyone would forget their kit in the first place. PE is one of my favourite lessons. It's the highlight of my week.
Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. I think it all depends on who's teaching it.
I'm going to get you lumped up. It's the last thing I do. Look at the state of you two. Stand up! You call that kit?
I thought it was going to rain all day today, so I naturally assumed we were doing PE inside.
Of course what you're wearing is perfectly lovely, isn't it? Heels and a skirt. Twice around the field, go! And you're not going to be breaking any records wearing that. What's your excuse? I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Of course, passing on me. I should have guessed. Twice around the field, go! Right, everyone, make a neat line over here and let's get ready for some roundups. Right, first one, let's go. What was that? Stamp the ball when you're reaching for your maximum speed. Throw your arms and legs and then sit back in the sand. 1 minute and 70. Next. Your foot was way over. How many? Even measure your run up. How many times have I told you to measure your run up? None of you listen. Next. 1 meter and 80. What was that? Next. Oh, come on. I know you can jump further than that. 2 meters and 10. Next. Long jump. It's called long jump. Therefore, quiet. Do you understand? Come on, your knee operation was 2 weeks ago. I'm going to say, did none of you care about active team to pick for the area championship? But it looks like we're going to be the lowest up. Right, Miss Edmund being sampled for class long jump, so the rest of you, twice around the field, go!
Lovely. Okay, children, gather round and listen. Lovely. Right, this afternoon we'll be doing some long jump into a lovely sandpit. Now it's a warm day, so I don't want you to overdo it. Just take things gently, then nobody will get on it. Lovely. Okay, let's go there. Okay, who's first? Oh, what a lovely jump. And look, you got into the pit. Lovely, next. Lovely. Didn't you go a long way?
No jump. You didn't give me time to measure up my run up.
Yes, a lovely no jump. Well done. Lovely, next. How far was it? I think that was my best jump ever. What was that, dear? I said, how far was it? How far was that, dear? I'll jump. You'll jump, yes, mouse and a woman.
What?
He's right, it's not just that stage, there are exams and tests in every subject. Then we do these things for GCSE, try to get difficult, get important.
Not that the test we did here seemed like such a breeze, even though at the time we thought we couldn't work any harder.
Well, at least we've got some holidays to look forward to before we need to worry about any more stupid SATSA exams. The thought of it still brings me out of water. Right, have 35 minutes from the time the paper's over.
Maths? Not maths. I thought it was English this morning. Oh no, I can't remember a thing. It's okay. Just relax. Concentrate. Right. I've got to try and look at the notes written on this paper. Tucked it up my sleeve without the teacher spotting me. Good. Just turn it around. Got it. Right. What? Oh no, she's coming over. Someone asked for a stair pants or something. You. She's being distracted by Anna discussing her answer attack you.
So, what do we have here then? Surname. I know that one. First name. Yes, I know that one too. And school. These questions are so easy. Well, that's 100% so far. Let's see what's next.
Write down all the factor pairs of 24. What on earth does that mean? We haven't done that this year. I know what a prime number is, but there aren't any questions about that as far as I can see. Oh no! Got to catch Emily's eye. Oh Emily, please look this way. Please. She'll know the answer to number 5. Go on, stand your paper up, move your arm, turn the page slowly, anything so I can see what you've written. Please, just look at this. Oh no, teacher's written. See anything? Oh, just having it straight. Nothing to see here.
Find a common multiple of 10 and 12. Now, if my timing is right, I can get the assignment on the back of the neck with a spitball. Oops! I hit miss! Quick, instant expression.
Look at them all, scribbling away. Swats. I hate them. They think they're so clever. I might as well straighten my teddies, sharpen my pencil, straighten my teddies. Oh, look at them all. I hate them. Right. I know. I'll ask to go to the toilet, take my notes out of my bag, pretend I've got the bad case of Rome, and sit on the loo for 5 minutes with Rome. Yes, 5 minutes should do it.
You have 5 minutes left.
What?
Can you list civil prime numbers? Yes, I can. Full stop. Good. Okay, on to the next question.
What is 50 squared? I know what half of 50 is. Oh no, there's got to be one person here that I know the answer to. There's just got to be. Okay, so with all these, we're going to help the question on symmetry. If I attach my mirror to the end of the ruler with the chewing gum that's stuck under the table, I'll be able to hold it up and look behind me at Daniel's paper and see what he's written. Here it goes. my luck to be sitting in front of the board with the worst handwriting in the world. And now I'm right out of cheese makers.
The cooker perception is just the right size to make an excellent aeroplane. Let's see. Open it out. Fold the corners. Once more. Fold in half. Fold the edges down. A nip here. A tuck there. And perfect. Now, let's see how this baby flies.
Yes, I found one I can do. Divide 104 by 4. I'll do the step method. 4 into 1 doesn't go. 4 into 10. That would be 292. So 4 into 24, that's 6. 26 in total.
Time's up, everyone. Please click on competitive. What? You're kidding. Oh, cool. Guys, I'm out here.
I just thought, Chloe, it's a Friday. You don't usually catch the bus on a Friday, do you?
No, it's my mum's trip. She's got handed the dinner to me because someone told her that there only 150 shopping days left till Christmas. So she wanted to go to the town early, therefore she dropped me here.
She's keen, still, at least she's thinking ahead about what to get you. Now, there's something I really have noticed about primary schools. Christmas. Decorated classrooms, making practical assessments, singing carols.
And the infant nativity, don't forget that.
How to feel that?
Mary and Jobbers were the two to get married. The angel gave them the queen to talk to Mary and Jobbers.
Fear not, Mary and
their new taxi could see the orders that had decreed it.
Joseph, I am heavy of tug and must ride on no donkey. Go and get it from me and bring it here.
So they arrived in Bethlehem and knocked on the door of the inn.
Yes, who is there?
Nice and friend. Yes, you are there.
But the inn was full because lots of people came to Bethlehem for the registration.
You have to go to the stable and have your baby in there with the horses and the cows. It is clean and comfy, it is watered.
So Mary Ann had the baby teething in the manger and laid him in the wobbly band and laid him on the hay.
Don't be afraid, for today is the city of David.
I told him to teething. I take a seat.
Take a sheep.
Let's go and see my keep and have to go to Bethlehem. Let's go to Bethlehem.
Now we'd like you to join us in the song. Be quiet! Please join us for the final song. One moment, ladies and gentlemen. We now up and stand still. 6 weeks, 6 relentless weeks of sticking shiny paper to cardboard, sewing sheets, gathering tea towels, and for what? So you lot can stand there and messing with your costumes, waving to the audience. I don't need it. I have my family to send for the Christmas dinner in 7 days' time, and I haven't got a turkey. I haven't decorated the house yet, and I haven't even set out the cards.
Thank you for coming to our production, and please, I hope you can think of number 4.